How to unlock chat in Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Roblox account. Then click on More at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, scroll down and click on Settings. After you click on Settings, click on Privacy and Content Restrictions. In here, click on Communication. Click on Experience Chat. Turn on Experience Chat. Also, make sure your age is verified and it's 18 plus. Only if you're 18 plus, you will be able to turn on the voice chat. Also, if you have parental control, you will need to request an access from here by pressing on and you'll find parents access. It will be sent to your parents' mail. From there, only if they add PIN and accept the request, you will be able to unlock your chat in Roblox. And this is how to unlock chat in Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.